This is Rosebud Revenge. To disassemble the puzzle, you want to hold it by corners that are opposing each other and pull on it. If it doesn't come apart easily, turn it to the next set of corners and pull on it, and eventually you'll find two corners that will allow it to pull apart easily. Once you have it apart, we'll show how you can identify the pieces to put them together. Now, each of the pieces have a point on them here, which I call the thorn on the rose. You want the thorn to point in the same direction on all pieces. So I'm going to point them to the right. You can point them to the left too if you want, whichever way you want, but the important thing is that they all face in the same direction. Now, the next thing that you'll notice about these pieces are that there is a peg and a hole in each of the pieces. In one case you have one piece though that has two holes and no pegs, and then you have one that has two pegs and no holes. Now, once you have your pieces all facing in the same direction and you set aside the ones that have the two pegs in it and the two holes, you want to take the two light ones that are left that each have a peg and a hole in them, set them here with the dark one, and then the two dark ones are going to go here with the light one. Now, this has a peg in it, so it's going to go into that hole. This has a peg, so it's going to go into that hole. On this one here, there's pegs, so you line it up so that you have holes going into the pegs. Excuse me, pegs going into the holes. Now, the thing that we're going to be looking at is the two notches here in this set and the two notches here in this set. On this set, we're going to put it together with the notches facing up. On this set, with the notches facing down. So we'll start over here with this notch facing up, insert the peg into the hole, notch up, and peg into the hole, set it down. Same thing over here, but now this notch goes down. So we put the peg into the hole, this notch down, peg into the hole. Turn it around so that we have these two notches facing to my left, these two with the pegs in them facing to my right. Then you want to line up the notches and slide the puzzle together to complete Rosebud Revenge.